I am right here in New York City, guys, and I am right next to the world's most famous arena, Madison Square Garden, and by Penn Station. So, yep, I'm in New York City, guys. This is where I live. But this video is not about that. It is about this one right here. Check it out, guys. This is one of the coolest rope spools or paracord gadget things with the carabiners, to carry your rope, to store your rope. Incredible, guys. But I have these carabiners plus an extra one that I ordered for my keychain. The thing about this one has a little tiny, where is it? It's on the other side. Little tiny nick I noticed right there in the center. I said to myself, sometimes you get what you get. Nothing is perfect. I didn't like it, but can't make a big deal out of it, Sometimes you gotta accept what you get. I'm not gonna return this. I like this thing right here. I just like that it's smooth. You can wrap, the cord around like this and up and over and this and that and whatever. This is the coolest thing to carry your paracord. So I've been carrying it with me. I did a unboxing on this one at my workbench, and hopefully I'll get that video out soon. Alright, guys, so take it easy, take care, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another video, guys.
The world full of gadgets, where to begin? Get the tips and the tricks, let the journey begin. Everyday carrier, we got the right crew. Tools in our hands, knowing something new. From the blades that cut to the multi-tools bright, come discover the magic, we'll guide you right. Home Depot or the Lowe's, Harbor Freight's call. Amazon treasures, let's share it all. Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about.